Breakfast is something very important that you shouldn't skip, and I thought of sharing this spinach bacon bread cups. For this recipe I'm using 5 eggs and 1 cup of bacon. According to your taste you can add less or more, or you can skip bacon from this if you are a vegetarian. 1 bunch spinach. I put hot water and left it about 2 minutes, then squeezed out the water, and this is how it is, and 1 onion. I have few slices of bread. Let's do the bread later. First, cut the onion. If you like, you can cook the onion and the bacon together and add into the eggs. Then I'm going to add the bacon. Even you can use chopped ham instead, and then cut the spinach finely. Now using a spoon, mix all together. And into that add enough salt. And don't forget that there is a little bit of salt in the bacon. Then add pepper or mixed spices or herbs. So this is pepper and a bit of chili, and mix. Now get a slice of bread, and using a rolling pin, roll the piece of bread properly. If you don't want the crust, you can get rid of the crust, so it becomes a thin piece like this. Now take a muffin pan. I'm using a large muffin pan, and spray some oil and put the bread into that and make a cup out from it. Cut the excess bread out using kitchen scissors. Put the mixture in. If you like, you can add a little bit of cheese. Spray the bread, if not it will burn. And I'm going to fill the other holes. And after, add a little bit of cheese on top. Any cheese will do. And this goes to the preheated oven, 180 Celsius, about 10 to 15 minutes. So this is how it is once you bake. Let's take it out and see how it is. Bread and the eggs and spinach with bacon. Very nice, simple recipe that you can try at home. And if we cut this, it's a really beautiful bread cup that you can serve hot as this is, or with some chutney on the side, and hope you will enjoy. See you next time.